Guess what? I'm sick again, so we're talking about how to get better a second time. I don't think I went into detail on how you actually get your hands on a magically cure every illness potion in my last video. If I did, then no I didn't. Anyway, you can buy them on all your normal magic websites, but it isn't that hard to make them from scratch either. You only need a few ingredients: arsenic, cyanide, and sarin, as well as a juice of your choosing. You'll also need a spellbook, some logs to start a fire, and a big witch cauldron. So the first step is to throw out the arsenic, cyanide, and sarin, because if you ingest any of those, you will just fucking die. They are there for moral support to kill the illness from your trash can. The second step is to light up the cauldron and pour the juice in. Make sure you have enough to fill the whole thing. The third step is to open up your spellbook and chant "Sickness, stinky, sickness bad, give me health or I die mad" for an hour. For your fourth and final step, throw the spellbook into the cauldron and let it boil for 24 hours. The spell required for this potion has about a 0.000000001% success rate, but you can do as much as quadruple it if you wear the appropriate getup while casting it. And that's that. Here's to a healthier tomorrow.